This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to convert your Google Docs file into a Word doc. So right here in Google Docs, just have this random demo text and image right here for the purposes of this video. Now you want to create a Word doc out of this Google Doc, whether it's been sent to you, whether you've created it, you will come up to the very top on File, click on File, hover over Download, and you'll see right at the top right here we have Microsoft Word. So this is saying .docx. That is just the X is added there because I'm on a Mac. But if you're on Windows, you'll just see doc right here. So doc and docx are essentially the same, they're interchangeable. You will click on Microsoft Word doc right here, and just like that you see that the file has been downloaded. It just flew up in the right hand corner. I'm on a Mac, so that's kind of universal symbol that something has been downloaded, and that file will go to your downloads location as set by your browser. You will get the file from there. So it's as simple as that. You will click on File, hover over Download, and you will click Microsoft Word doc, and you have converted and also downloaded your Google Doc into a Word doc file for use in Microsoft Word or wherever you want to use it. So hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.